Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITPAT143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create return address labels in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. Open Publisher 2007, come to Labels Publication type. Here it is showing different sizes and designs of various labels. And on the top, it is showing the various label categories. Directly, we can select the required label from here. Come to return address, select a label suitable for you. And we can also customize color scheme, font scheme, and business information. After that, click on create. Now we got a simple label. I want to redesign this as return address label with my preferences. Here I want to remove one text box. Let's type the address. Cherry plot number 302. And after this, I want to format the text. First, I want to change the font color. Select the color you want. Okay. And for name, I want to select different color. And I want to increase the font size and make it as bold. And similarly, I want to change the background color. Click on fill color and select fill effects. I want to select preset ocean. Okay. Let's resize the text box. And after this, I want to add a quote. Click on word art, select a style and click on OK. Here we need to edit the text. Best of luck, buddy. And I want to reduce the size. And I want to make it as bold. Come to font. Click on OK. And place this in a suitable location. And after this, I want to add a clip art. Come to Insert menu, navigate to Picture and click on Clip Art. In search for field, please type the text for the clip art. Sport. Click on Go. And here it will show various clip arts. And to insert the clip art, simply double click on that and resize the clip art and place it in a suitable location. One thing we need to remember that we will get more clip arts only after connecting with the internet. And if you don't find suitable clip art, go to Microsoft Office Online. And here we will get a guidelines about the clip art, and just scroll down and click on sites where you can find clip art. Here we have some websites that offer illustration of photos for free. Classroom Clip Art, Public Domain Archive, freeimages.com and Pixabay. We can go to these websites and get the photos for free. And after this, I want to add a border art. For that, we need to draw a rectangle. And after that, double click on this. Come to border art. Here we will get various borders. Select a border art suitable for you. Click on OK. OK. And I want to resize this. Double click on that. Come to line weight. Here we need to reduce the size. Click on OK. And now we got a nice border art. Here we have modified the existing template. If you want to create your own label, select a blank page and prepare according to your ideas. And if you want to get more fancy return address labels, go to Microsoft Office Online or Google to search for more return address labels. And after this, click on Print Preview. And we can print number of labels per page. Like this, we can create return address labels in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.